हाँ मतलब पुश से हम कर सकते हैं ना, चेंज
Uh,
नेस्टेड वैल्यूज।
I'll share my screen. So the problem was, so let's say, right, let let obj is equal to name ABC, right, and
हाँ
city is equal to New York, correct, and then like address, make some inside one more object, make country is equal to US. Okay. Now let me bigger the font size also. Right. Now, technically, so let's say when I assign, let me play with directly on the COM console, right? Copy, paste. No? Okay. So let me type here. No problem. There is a command they are saying to allow pasting. Allow pasting. Okay. Now I clear. I can do like this. So what is object? Object is like a key and value pair. Name ABC, city New York, and country is USA. Now, the problem, see, there are two, pass by value, pass by reference. There are two concepts. Okay, pass by value and pass by reference. Technically, string and number are always be a pass by value when you copy that variable value from one to another. So let me open the paint also before I jump to the actual solution. So let's say when you declare the memory, right? When you declare the memory, every JavaScript, so this is let's say memory step, right? Whenever we say let name is equal to ABC, okay, this get one memory address in the browser memory heap. And let's say if we say let s name is equal to name, because the value string, because the value string, this will also get a one memory structure in JavaScript memory. So both will get a new memory in the browser memory location. Correct.
यस।
Now, L name is pointing a different memory and S name is pointing a different memory. Okay. So in this case, when you change the S name, because the memory is different, it will not reflect on the name. That's a reason, you know, that's a reason when we say let name is equal to PQR, let's say ABC, name is equal to ABC. What is name? ABC. If I say name is equal to if I say let S name is equal to name, what is my S name? Right now ABC, right? Because the value is same. If I change my S name to PQR, what is my S name? PQR. But my name is same. Why? Because of this reason. Because when you assign a name to a S name, because the value of S name is a string, okay, so it will take by default as a pass by value. This is
ओके।
clear?
यस।
This is fully clear, right?
हाँ
Right? Now, now, if I clear this thing, think about the object now. Okay. When we do a let object is equal to name ABC. What is object? Object will get one memory. One actually memory here on the browser heap memory. Correct? So right
Yes.
now, what is object value? Name ABC. Now, whenever I say let object is equal to object 2 is equal to object, what is happen now? This become a pass by reference. It point to a same memory. Because what JavaScript say, when you copy your one object to another object like this way, it become a pass by reference by default. So
Okay.
in this case, whenever I change the value, let's say I change here, what is object my name, city, and address, right? Let object 2 is equal to object. And when I change object 2 is what? My copy of the object, but the memory is same. Internally, they point to same memory. Now, object 2 dot name is equal to pqr. What is my object 2 now? It's a pqr.
Secure.
But my object is become also pqr. This is the pass by reference which JavaScript behave by default. Correct.
Okay.
This is the
Yes.
this concept is called pass by reference. Now, but this is the problem, right? I need to copy multiple times from one variable to another variable. I require, right? In my real project, when I do the code, I require this thing, right? So what is a basic solution for this program? So one is a spread operator. One is what? Spread operator, right? What is the one thing? Spread operator. Object 2 is like this. Object is like this. Now, I'll get a let object 3 equal to object. So this new sign, because I get this new sign and I spread all the what is three dots? This is called spread operator. This will spread all the key value pair automatically here. This is called this is spread all the key value pair automatically here. And now if I print object 3, it's a real, you can say a same like object 1. Like the way object is there. It copies the entire things and assign to the object 3. But this is new sign. This way you can create a new object, right? That's the reason this will be override. This will automatically override. Now this become a pass by value. Pass by value. Now if I change object 3 dot name to xyz, what is my object 3? Xyz. What is my
It's
object? It's speaker. It doesn't change. This is the one way to solve the problem of the pass by reference, and I make it the pass by value.
okay.
Got it or no?
Yes.
Okay. Now, there is one more problem here. So let's say my one level of object, right? It works perfectly. But when I see object 3 is what? Right? I have address also. And inside address, I have a country also. Now, if I change object 3 dot address dot country is equal to New York, then my object 3 change to New York. That's fine. But my object is also change. Right? Why this happen?
Yes.
Because we did spread. It works only for the single level. It works only for the single level. For nested level of object, it will not work. Right?
Okay.
So you can't do
Yes.
spread operator for every level because runtime dynamically you don't know, right? How many levels can be happen in object, right? Correct? Runtime dynamically you don't know, right? How many levels are going to happen there? correct?
Yeah.
Two. So now this solve this problem. You think if I somehow make this object in the string format, so by default it become pass by value, right? If I
Yes.
found a way, if I basically find a way which convert my object into string and then again repeat to the object at the final output, so I will get by default the JavaScript behavior of the string. Because what rule says string and number are always be a pass by value. When you copy from one to another, string and number are always be a pass by value, right? So in this case, so there is a one way called JSON.stringify, which convert your object into the string format. So let's say if I do, if I copy this my entire object, let's say object, you see it convert everything in the string, right? Now, if I want to convert this back to my object, then I copy here and I JSON.pass. It give me the converted output back to the object. But this become a complete pass by value. What this become? Complete pass by value. So no matter how much nested level you have, but this approach will work. This become a complete pass by value. Now, let's say, let me see like let object 5. What is my object? Sorry, what is my object? Let me get the object first here. I override the object. So let me create this copy the object and let object 5 is equal to this object, right? What is my object 5? It become a name and New York, right? Now, when I say my let object 6 is equal to JSON dot first parse and inside JSON dot stringify, make a string inside it, right? And make a value of object 5, right? Now my object 5 is object 6 is what? Name, New York. It's actual copy. But this become a fully passed by value. Now if I change object 6 dot address dot country is equal to Canada, my object 6 is changed, but my object 5 it will not change at all. This is the concept of pass by value and pass by reference in terms of object. This technically, this you will require a lot while you do a real code in the like a React or in somewhere, any library. Okay, this technique require a lot to you. Okay, so you, whenever you feel you have a nested object, you always do a like a deep copy. This is called deep copy. What is deep copy? Each and every nested object take a new memory while assigning a new variable. Okay, that's a deep copy. And whatever we did earlier, like right, with the help of a spread operator, that is called shallow copy. Only first level of the object will give you it assign and create a new memory while creating a new object. Even people use Lotus, but this is the pure JavaScript way without using any third party library or anything. I hope you get the you get the
Yes.
clarity for a pass value pass reference.
Yes.
Good, good. Let me stop the screen and let me